YouTube, we're back. I just took a COVID test, came back negative. Thank God. I've been around a lot of people, so I just wanted to make sure I was good. I got a little sniffle, but just a little allergies. So right here we're doing a super dope wave skin fade, and this comes out fresh, guys. So we're gonna comb the hair the way the hair is growing. We're gonna take the 2 guard. We're gonna go all the way around, following the growth pattern. And you guys check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Alright, we're gonna start off by balding the back with the T-outliners all the way around, about 1 inch up on the sides, dropping it down a little bit in the back so we can wrap the fade around his head. I'm gonna cut down the front of his head while I'm looking at it, just to make sure there's no calyx in his hairline, so I don't cut too much hair off or cut a little patch. And I'm gonna start this fade in the back with the cordless Andis Masters all the way open, and I'm gonna go up about 1 inch all the way around. Now we're gonna take the 1 guard, we're gonna open it all the way up, and we're gonna go up about another 1 inch. This haircut is basically all detail, because not only are you cutting hair, you're fighting against the waves. So you're gonna want to basically cut until it looks good. It's a little bit more time consuming cutting with waves because the hair is in a pattern.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video and give it a thumbs up. Peace!
That's better than any subscribe button you can find on the internet, guys. That's my son. He's like a ball of joy. He needs a YouTube channel more than all of us, but I'm gonna get him working on his. Anyhow, I sound super congested, so bear with me. But basically, you gotta take your time with this cut. You gotta look at the dark spots. The highest I'm gonna go on this haircut is a 2 guard, up high, and the bottom I'm doing 3-0. And the rest is a 1.5 to a 1 and then a 1/2 guard. But you just gotta keep cutting till it looks good. You gotta take your time. That's why I sped it up so fast. We're going at double speed here because this video would take forever. Because it's a detail oriented cut. You know, you could use a wall senior flat blade for the bottom, and then come up with the Andis on top. And use a detachable. I mean, there's so much. I try to simplify it by just using 1 clipper, but you guys just follow along with this, and everything is pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna jump up off here, man. I sound horrible, but everyone like this, man. I'm doing, not enough likes from you guys, man. Like the video, put it out there for me. We're dropping content regularly now, so let's get this channel going, man. And I'll see you guys on the next one. So yeah, enjoy this cut, man. I'm gonna get some rest. I'm still putting it out here. Appreciate you guys.